this is our stock. Why I am looking this? Because see, from 20 onwards, it started moving. So it acted as resistance over here. Okay. Then again, this particular resistance now acted as support. And then a breakout happened. Then this particular zone, you can see clearly that particular zone again rejected. And then see. So you can see over here, whenever it is coming at this resistance zone, the volume is also starting to move upper side. So if this, and you can see the last candle, the volume is also very high. So I'm just looking this particular stock, for positional purpose. So once this breaks, once this zone breaks in daily time frame, I'll just go for investment point of view. This is not for intraday purpose or something. This is purely for investment point of view, because one time, second time, third time, fourth time, and fifth time again it is trying to break. This time I'm hoping so this will completely break, because 5 times it tried to break the resistance. So the volume is also coming. We have good volume. You can see there is not much selling volume. We have good volume in the last couple of sessions. So I'm expecting this will particularly this particular stock will go up. So if this breaks this particular zone, then I can expect we can at least take 5 to 10% out of it. So this is one stock I'm just keeping in watch list. And then one more we have. Let me show you Adani Power. Yeah. So Adani Power, I want to show you daily. This is one zone. See the pattern, observe the pattern. Observe the pattern here. First time, third time, fourth time, it break. Volume also, same way, volume also. Whenever it is coming at the resistance, there is good volume and it is going up. Volume. First time, third time, fourth time, you can see volume. And volume is also good, as well as pattern. Pattern is also good, and then resistance. If it breaks this resistance, we can expect a good positional trade out of it. So Adani Power is one more stock which I'm going through. And then we have Bharat Forge. Yeah, Bharat Forge. Same thing. Resistance broke. This good swings it made. So I'm just this I'll be keeping in watch list. So once this breaks, once it comes to anywhere nearby zone, then only I'll keep for buy, or else I'll just keep this for watch. I'll just watch this until and unless it comes to my zone. And you can see good. This thing is there. So it's like a good stock, but I'll just see if I can find some pullback or something, but I will not be investing now because price is at somewhat higher zones. So once it comes to levels, if I see any retraction or something, if the stock is filing down or something, then only I'll just go for the investment for this particular stock. Then one more stock, I'm just looking here, AHL West, Asian Hotels. Now hotel industries are started moving upside. So I feel now this is a good time to invest for this particular stock. And you can see the volume, how it is coming. The volume is coming in the market. Last month to this month, you can see stock already moved around 20%. The volume is coming into the market, and now everything is slowly starting up. So now hotel industries and aviation stocks are very good. Actually, it's a hot sector now to invest. So this is my zone, and there is a swing here, it a pullback, and again it moved up. So once tomorrow also, if it starts moving up, if this breaks, generally what I'll do, I'll just wait for this. So if that breaks, then I can expect it will go for further highs. So at least once I enter, as I told you, 5 to 10% if I'm getting, I'll exit from this particular pair. So AHL West is only for positional purpose. Then I'm looking for Alkali. metals. So this stock, volume wise, it is good, but you can see, and I will personally, if I want to buy, I'll buy at this particular zones around 60 to 61, because you can see the wicks and all over here. By seeing this wicks, I'm not much comfortable taking at this particular price. So let it come back. Then around this point of zone, I'm good to go around 60 to 62, 60 to 63, 59 to 61, 62. So that's then I'll go for long. Till then, I'm not gonna go for long for this particular stock. Next, Arvind Fashion. See, it's trying to take support at this particular point. So two times actually this zone acted as resistance, good resistance before this zone, and then gave support here. Here. See. So now if it is staying in this particular zone, then we can go long, or else if you want to enter, technically fundamentally also the stock is good. So if you want to enter, you can enter, and you can book around 5 to 10% of the profit, or you can wait. If you're having the patience, you can wait for this particular level to come, or else this zone. So it's on you how you want to exit that trade. So this is what I'm expecting. So this stock is also good for positional purpose. Then one more I'm looking over here. Anup. Anup. I'll wait for this particular stock to come at this particular price. So this is in my watch list actually. I'm waiting for it to be getting corrected. So around 840 to 860 levels, if it comes, I'll just go long for this stock. And then Ambuja Cements. Cements is good now. The pattern is also very clear. So I'm just waiting for the price to be corrected. So either, if it comes over here, if it comes somewhere over here, or else if it breaks. So I'll just see where to enter. So I'm expecting there should be some correction as per volume wise also. So this stock is also good for long term and as of now. So at least we can expect, if we are getting good entry, we can expect around 5 to 10% return out of it. So these are the stocks I'm picking for positional purpose for this week. If any opportunity is there, we can enter. Then one more stock. I'm just looking at over here. Coal India. I'm just seeing in weekly time frame. Breakout happened. This is a pattern called inverse head and shoulders pattern form. So in almost like inverse head and shoulders pattern form. So I'm expecting, and there is a huge volume coming. Also, you can see the buyer's volume is more here. Also, there's good amount of buyer's volume and all. The same way here also we have good amount of buyer's volume and all. And don't expect this pullback and all. It's like you can expect this profit booking and all also. So fundamentally, the stock is good. You can hold it. Now it broke. So as per weekly time frame also it broke. So and with less upper way, so it indicates somewhat stronger pressure, a strong buying pressure. Before candles, you can observe, see there that is also closed. You can see this particular candle also closed weekly candle above the zone. But what happened? Because of the longer wick, upper wick, long upper wick, you can sense that there is a strong selling pressure. That's the reason you can't depend on this particular candle. And the next it played sideways and then it fell down. It is giving you an indication. Next, this candle you can see it tried to break this weekly zone but unable to break, and end of the day it closed below it. So you can't expect. But now you can see it's but now you can see it closed above this zone with a good volume, and here also previous it is also good volume, and there is a pattern for us. So at least now we can expect good move, but let's see in daily how it is playing. And also if we get any opportunity, and if you are interested to invest in PSU based stocks, this is one of the good stock to invest.